Welcome, everyone. This is Vivo Y72, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, you'll want to pull down your notification panel and look for the Do Not Disturb toggle, which for me looks to be not added by default, I guess. So if that is the case, by default, let's just select a pencil right here and look for it in the disable toggle, which again I can't really see it. It's right here. Okay, took me a while to find it. So anyway, let's actually get back to it. Do not disturb mode, and once you find it, you can hold it. This automatically takes you to the settings where you can customize how it functions. So obviously you have a couple options for like who can call you, who can message you, schedules, and so on. So go through this, set up everything the way you want, and from there you can select turn on either here or by simply tapping on the toggle right over here. Additionally, if you're setting it up and enabling it manually, make sure you also turn it off manually, otherwise it will be basically permanently on. And if you went with the schedule route, you don't actually need to turn it off. It will turn on and off automatically. So anyway, that being said, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.